worked in Lansing a long time now, and I've never seen this level of just complete dysfunction in terms of getting a budget done.
A July 1 deadline to get the education budget passed in Lansing came and went. And school districts across the state remain in limbo. For some districts, the new school year is already underway. For others, it's roughly 2 weeks away. In all cases, they still don't know how much money they'll get from Lansing this year. What's at risk? School superintendents do a lot of their budget planning in the summer. People get hired, programs are developed. However, this year, that couldn't happen since they had no idea how much money they would have to work with. It left some districts facing tough choices.
Many of our schools weren't able to fill certain positions. In some cases, there were layoffs. In other cases, they've had to cut certain programming.
As the bell gets ready to ring for another school year, administrators are uncertain about how much money will flow into their districts.
Whether you're talking about a mental health coach, a reading coach, tutors, other types of support staff, those are all positions that are made available to schools with additional support money that's been available over the last couple of years.
Lansing lawmakers have come together in past years to develop a budget by the July 1 deadline. The executive director of the K-12 Alliance of Michigan, Robert McCann, says he's never seen lawmakers stall on money for schools.
And it's really all because lawmakers in Lansing have simply chosen to not do their job and get our schools the budget certainty that we really need to do what's best for kids.
McCann says this shouldn't be a battle between Republicans and Democrats. He says this should be about putting the students first.
But House Democrats decided to put politics ahead of the kids.
I won't say it's my Republican colleagues' fault, but it is their leader, Speaker Matt Hall.
Both Republicans and Democrats have rolled out plans for how they see the education budget working best for schools, but their plans are different. Democratic Representative Jasper Martis says the Republicans want to give schools the money without specifications.
The real problem with that is there's a lot of school districts that would be able to get along with that. When we talk about categoricals, it's things like special education, assistance with folks who are disabled, assisting folks who are lower socioeconomic statuses, really helping the folks most in need.
During a news conference Wednesday, Speaker Matt Hall blamed Democrats in both the House and Senate.
Some school districts, like in Okemos, where they're putting out letters talking about uncertainty in state funding, right? And so I would just say that never would have happened if Democrats would have stayed at the table on school budget July 1.
Michigan has to have a budget in place by October 1st, or a government shutdown could be possible.
I'm not a gambler, but I would place pretty good money on this is going to go till the end of September.
They've been setting up this government shutdown because the Democrats think it helps them politically.
To see fingers being pointed back and forth in Lansing ultimately doesn't solve the problem.
Another piece of the budget is school breakfast and lunch. That money is allocated through the education budget. That'll expire on September 30th. The Michigan Department of Education posted a memo last week urging districts to keep meal programs in place despite not knowing what next year's budget could look like.